On the left side is the Independent Order of Rechabites headquarters. And on the right side is the Environmental Authority. And on the other side, I don't know. I don't know what building is this. And on my back side, much nga wa ko kabalo. And we're heading for Queen Victoria. And the other building, I don't know again.